All right, 3 and 7/9. 3 and 7/9 as an improper fraction. So here's the shortcut. The explanation is 3 wholes means we want to put this back into the fraction. So really that's 9/9, 9/9, and 9/9. So that's one way to think about it. We just add these guys up and then add it to this fraction. Okay, but the shortcut is this. The fastest way to do this is you take the whole number, multiply it against that denominator, 3 times 9, which is 27, and then you add it to the numerator, and you end up with 34/9. But if we were to do it this way, we get the same thing. We do 9 9s plus 9 9s plus 9 9s plus 7 9s, and we get 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is 27, plus 7, which is 34. Remember, when we add fractions, we don't add the denominators stay the same. So both ways will yield the same answer, which means both ways are obviously legitimate. 3 and 3/5, same deal. I'm going to multiply the 5 by the 3. That becomes 15. We're going to add it to the numerator, and we end up getting 3 plus 15, which is 18/5.